Alright, what's up guys? So today, like, I was busy today, so I didn't even get a chance to record my 𝐥𝐤𝐤 of the morning. But one of the things that I did today already is I already got to go see a tax accountant, and I was just getting, some busy work done with Facebook ads, working with some clients and mentor coaching. And then now, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm at the gym right now. We have 24 weeks that are putting this work. And it's kind of crazy because like today, like I don't normally ever go to the gym at this time. So it's like normally I go to like at midnight and stuff like that. And so it's hella busy right now. So I'm gonna see me doing these ab workouts just to start off. Back to, I always do like a couple of sets of abs and stuff like that, and then a couple of sets of push-ups just to get me warmed up throughout my workout. What I do next is I try to knock out 100 push-ups. Put in that work. I'm gonna do 50 first. Make your shit nice and tired, loose up. Daniel just walked in.
Certified trainers. I didn't know we was gonna vlog today. I might have flashed a titty or two. Like, vlog. Catch us on porno.
Finish up our biceps. We got 2 more of those and then we're done with the day. We finally got the camera guy gotta go to work. How are you? I always say this is go hard or go home. Everything we do, we're gonna do it hard. Whether it's gym, whether it's cutting hair, whether it's working on my business. Shit, even when I party, it's gonna be hard. We do everything wild, baby. Shit, y'all didn't even see on my live. On my live earlier today, I was smoking hell of a tree. You gotta come to the gym, low key lit and shit, and you'll really have a great workout. I got my homeboy here who records for me. Hey, tell him how you gotta put your homie on.
Yeah.
I will record you. Did you get that? What's up, my crash? Hey, this man's a crash. Okay, he's starting. Okay, he in a little bit of workout. Okay, all right. All right, so guys, we gonna be back in just a little bit. We're gonna do our workout, and then I'm gonna show you guys at the end of what I worked on. You know what I mean? Me just at my prime form. See y'all later. Hey, so what's up, y'all? So we just finished the gym, and I'm on my way home. My boy, fine.
I gotta go to work.
His scratch gotta go to work.
A little late.
He's running a little late. He running. Okay, guys, it's 3:32, guys, and he has to be at work at 3:30. So he's already late, but he knows that he normally shows up late, so he's just gonna like play it off. Huh? Yeah. So all you gonna do is play. He probably gonna show up at 4:05 and be like, I mean, shit, I wasn't that late. But once we get back to the house, though, I'm about to eat my food, and then we're about to get back to work. So this is my meals. And then I had my meal prep lady customize the meals for me at like the best measurement of like my goal on calories and proteins and fats and carbs. Just after this, I'm gonna, you know, take a shower and everything like that. Then I'm gonna have to leave. I'm about to get my hair braided, cause you know, if I'm gonna go out, bro, I gotta get my shit clean. I just had to wash my hair out. I'm on my way to get my hair braided. So we finna be clean for the night. So I'm saying, hey, some of y'all y'all be sleeping on my length and shit. But we about to get our hair braided. Once we get our hair braided, then we're gonna get ready for the night. Like, I worked all day. I'm about to have a good time, and I'm probably not even gonna go to sleep, honestly. I could probably just stay up all night after I go to the club. Like, watch how I do this shit. But I get work done, and I still know I have a good time and be young and live that fulfilling life everybody wanna live. You know what I mean? But I'll see you guys later.